Cheese spinach. Corn sandwich is prepared with a creamy and cheesy filling made of spinach, sweet corn, flour, milk, and cheese. Flavored with garlic, pepper, Italian herbs, and red chili flakes. It is very easy to prepare and tastes better. Creamy and so cheesy, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. Recipe on maryskitchen.com. Salt garlic in butter. Fry spinach till it shrinks. Mix in boiled corn. Add flour and stir-fry well. Mix in milk. Enhance with salt herbs, chili flakes. Load it with cheese. Cook till it thickens. Cool and make sandwich toast. Check description box for detailed recipe.